Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So since my last update, we've had quite a bit of a move to the upside, but it's now sort of consolidating a little bit. Yeah, if you are new to this channel, the idea is that we are moving up in an overall impulsive wave pattern in an uptrend basically. We had a trend reversal area here. Let me just double check that. So obviously this was the long-term area, right, where we hit basically this support just once back in September. Then we moved up, we had here another sort of trend reversal support area, which worked out. We then had here one, which was a bit of a larger one for this wave two. You know, obviously the idea was that off the September low in 2022, we moved up in a 1-2 setup, here another 1-2 setup, and that we are now moving up in another 1-2 setup. We had another small trend reversal area here. And this is again one to which we reacted. So a lot of these support areas are holding. Bullish support is holding, which obviously doesn't mean we have to go up further. But based on everything we can see, we can look at this in a bullish way. Alternatively, this is not a 1-2, 1-2, but just a larger 1-2 setup. That's possible as well. But the point I try to make is that if we break above this high, the wave 1 high, which was made on the 13th of April, then we are getting most likely into the heart of the third wave rally, and that can take us to $30 and beyond. Very important. I'm not telling you that this definitely is going to happen here. Nobody has a crystal ball, but I just find the current opportunity that we have in the metals market too good to be ignored. Because if it is working out, this will take us to $30 and beyond. I mean, probably way above it, okay? I mean, it will take time, but this is a potential that certainly there is in the markets. Condition would be that we're holding the $21.16 level, and that gives us a very, very interesting reward to risk ratio. Below $21.16, yeah, things are going to get quite bearish, I think, okay? So it is just, I'm not ruling out a bearish case, absolutely not. This could also be an A wave, B wave, and a C wave to the upside, but the C wave would be quite short. So basically a larger corrective pattern, which is then going to go and make a new low below September. But for me, the signal level for that would be $21.16. As long as we're holding that bullish setup, yeah, we can focus on higher. And bear in mind, this support area did hold now. So the idea is, by the way, I gave you one more here, a small orange one, which did hold. And the question is now, how are we moving? Now, the problem is we're not really moving in a clear impulsive wave pattern to the upside here of the 25th of May low. So from that point of view, I cannot rule out that we will make another low here in this area. But again, silver has still space all the way down to $21.16. And if we break below the 25th of May low, again, that's around $22.60, then support will be $22.22 and $21.16. And besides that, we could now be in this third wave if it works out to the upside. Let me just put that, or let me just leave it where it was. This can be counted as another small 1-2 setup. This here maybe also as another one. Yeah, this would need to be an A wave probably. This an overshooting B wave and maybe a C wave down. I don't want to label it because it is quite messy. I can tell you that should we break below the last swing low, which was the 30th of May low at 22.88, it is already quite likely that we're going to get back into the yellow support zone. This is still relevant, but ideally we are pushing higher here. And eventually, if this pattern is going to work out, then as you can see, I did sketch in a previous video out, what would need to happen to really confirm that we bottomed here. And anybody who really likes strong confirmation, because I did explain in the previous video, it's not crystal clear yet that we have bottomed there. So anybody who wants more confidence could wait for this 5-wave move up to complete, and then for a first ABC structure down. And then we get here something probably like an inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder and so on, with a possible move up. But if you get the first decent sized 5-wave move up, followed by a 3-wave move down, yeah, then you have a good confirmation that the low is in. Until then, things are still very, very fragile here. But I think at the moment it's looking good. If things change, I will keep you, I update you anyway. Hope you liked the update about silver. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.